This meditation is designed to help you release all forms of pain, physical and emotional, that you may be carrying. Through mindful breathing and a connection with white light, you will be guided to let go completely. Feel a deep sense of relaxation and restore the pure energy in every cell of your body. Let go of all your burdens in this moment. Be ready to open your heart and embrace healing. This is your time to listen to your body, connect with your soul, and rediscover your natural balance. To begin the journey into white light meditation, creating an ideal space and state of mind is essential. Take a few moments to arrange your surroundings. A peaceful place where you won't be disturbed, allowing you to fully focus on yourself. It could be a cozy corner in your favorite room, or an open, serene outdoor space where you can feel tranquility and stillness. Once you have found the right space, choose a position that makes you most comfortable. You can sit on a mat or chair with your back straight, yet relaxed. If you prefer, lie down and allow your entire body to fully release any tension. Comfort and relaxation are key, as this will help the healing energy flow freely. Now, close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath. Take a deep breath through your nose, feeling the fresh air filling your lungs and spreading throughout your body. Hold the breath for a moment, then gently exhale through your mouth, letting go of all tension. Repeat this process a few times, and with each breath, imagine drawing in pure white light into your body and exhaling all worries, stress, and pain. Let each breath become a bridge connecting you to your inner self. Feel every muscle relax, every thought settle, and prepare to welcome the healing energy of white light in the moments to come. Imagine a radiant, pure, and warm white light glowing before you, emanating an endless source of healing energy. This white light symbolizes purification, protection, and renewal. It exists not only outside, but is ready to flow through your entire being, releasing all pain and bringing perfect balance. Now, take a deep breath through your nose and visualize the white light gently entering your body from the universe. Feel the warmth of this energy spreading through every cell, carrying purity and healing power. As you exhale, let go of all tension, worries, and negative energy, like wisps of smoke carried away by the breeze. Continue to breathe slowly, imagining the white light moving throughout your body. It starts at the top of your head, spreading down to your face, relaxing every muscle. The light flows through your neck, shoulders, and arms, easing any aches and fatigue. As it reaches your chest, it wraps around your heart, soothing negative emotions and bringing peace. The light then moves to your abdomen, cleansing any tension, and flows down your legs to the tips of your toes. Your entire body is now bathed in white light. You feel light, free, and renewed. Embrace this profound peace, knowing that white light is always with you, ready to heal whenever you need it. Now that the white light has filled your body and mind, take a few moments to truly feel the difference. Focus on the sense of relief, relaxation, and fresh energy flowing within you. This is the precious gift you've given yourself, a deep serenity and balance brought by the white light. Remember, the white light is not just a part of this meditation. It is a source of energy always present in your life. Whenever you feel stressed, tired, or in need of healing, simply close your eyes, take a deep breath, and call upon the white light. It is always ready to cleanse, rejuvenate, and bring peace, no matter where or when. To maintain this positive state, make meditation a regular part of your daily life. You don't need much time, just 5 to 10 minutes each day to sit quietly, breathe, and connect with the white light is enough to keep your mind and body balanced. Each session will bring small yet lasting changes, helping you face life with calmness and strength. Carry this sense of peace with you for the rest of your day. Remember, the power to heal and restore lies within you at all times. White light is not just a symbol of purity, but also a reminder that you are the source of light in your own life. Walk forward with an open heart and a peaceful soul, knowing that positive energy and healing are always within your reach. You deserve the peace and strength that this light brings.